Hey Adam, what's up?
Hey man, listen, I got a great plan for this weekend. Come on over. I got a new TV. We're gonna hang it up on the wall, order some pizza, and play video games the whole weekend.
That sounds like an awesome plan.
Awesome. We'll see you there.
I'll be right there.
Yeah. Right? What is it doing? I don't understand. This is a brand new TV. What is it? Is it the game? Wait. Wait, I got it.
Don't let a bad HDMI cable ruin your video experience. Upgrade your HDMI cables today to Velox and see the difference. Don't settle for second best. For more information on Velox and other Ethereal products, visit etherealpro.com.